Ashley?
Yes.
What's up?
Nothing.
So what you did at school today?
Test.
What kind of test?
Integrated studies.
So go for your phone, see.
But when I do it in a bed, but I do it in a paper.
Do it on paper? Oh.
But you not give it yet?
Alright then. So yeah, I don't know.
Watch TV.
What are you watching?
Cartoon.
Cartoon? Which cartoon you watch?
Me I was Cocomelon.
Cocomelon? The baby something like that, Ashley?
Yes.
Yeah, but baby stage now.
Yes.
Alright. Say alright, bro.
How about that? Can't easy, you know. I know nobody are dead today, you know, my fam.
You understand that? Anything we catch an idea get murder here.
Brother, not time for that young killer. Easy yourself.
Better look out of your eye, them and that me I tell you.
Don't tell you why, brother. That me I tell you. I am out, my God, man.
Which squad there? Let's go and watch your hair, watch your hair. They're outside, they put it. You hear like somebody a shout.
Daddy, you like Mrs. Archer?
Go on, man, you're too mixed up.
Okay.
The killers, them are there. You play a cop. I need for that. I'm telling you something there, right now. Me have something serious to talk about.
That I want to hear.
So we go for that.
It make a what you say? I'm falling. A joke this. What you say, father? You teach. So what you say? You're son teacher now. I am principal. I'm with it make a joke this, father.
Calm down now, my bro. Father, how you say?
Well, brother, you know I want to change the life, yeah. You see you come with daughter, you see me?
School of father.
And that teacher, yeah, she give me a whole heap of vibes.
That's easy.
You see it? So I make you know.
You don't know enough, father. I used to call the shots, to me.
And that you talk about call shot. A bus with a bus shot boy. What you talk about? You think shrivel down? You come like a secret maker. The mad teacher, me done school for a long time, school years done, you know. You know how long me done class, my friend.
Vicious, you never hear. Time for war, time for love. You know I feel like you need a woman in your life to brother.
A joke.
For a while you have to calm down with that.
Who want a girl? See me girl like, oh, 9-ish. Never left my belly. What you say? Ever. What you say? Me no want to see no other. What kind of thing? Let me see. Come like your auntie.
Yo, want the man there here walk on, and a big man there. You see me? Watch it pray. You know just the bro your brother has no followers. You see me? We are develop a community. As youth and youth where youth them look up to see them and look for what to bring certain things forward. You see? We just have to pray a different way right now, brother. You see me? So after all I get together and the stage show, you see me? You see what I go and pull over and vicious.
The school of father. We all have a job to do, you know. Out here do man, you hear that?
We been a do it and we still a do it. One badness, you know.
Vicious. You have to remember say we have responsibility. And youth them come first. You over some I deal with, bro. Can't just get up every day and I pray war and violence.
That's why you have me here, so. For murder anybody who push war and violence, yeah?